Verb have got. Present simple. In the affirmative, we say I have got, you have got, he has got, she has got, it has got, we have got, you have got, they have got. The short forms are I've got, you've got, he's got, she's got, it's got, we've got, you've got, they've got. I've got a bike. She's got a new mobile phone. To form the negative, we add not after have or has. I have not got. You have not got. He has not got. She has not got. It has not got. We have not got. You have not got. They have not got. The short forms are I haven't got. You haven't got. He hasn't got. She hasn't got. It hasn't got. We haven't got. You haven't got. They haven't got. They haven't got long hair. He hasn't got blue eyes. In the interrogative form, we say have I got? Have you got? Has he got? Has she got? Has it got? Have we got? Have you got? Have they got? Have they got measles? No, they haven't. Has she got a cold? Yes, she has. Note that we don't use have got in short answers. We just use have or has. We use the verb have got to talk about possessions. Anne has got a guitar. Peter hasn't got a guitar. He's got a skateboard. An elephant has got a long trunk and big ears. My house has got 4 windows. We've got new skateboards. I haven't got any money. They have got a dog. They haven't got a dog. They have got a cat. Have they got a bird? No, they haven't. They've got a dog. Has she got a cat? Yes, she has. We use the verb have got to talk about relationships. Peter has got a sister. Tom hasn't got any brothers or sisters. We've got 3 children. Claire and Mike have got a son. Sally and Mike have got many friends at school. Sylvie hasn't got many friends. Have you got any brothers or sisters? Yes, I have a sister. We also can use the verb have got to describe people's eyes and hair. I've got big brown eyes. We haven't got brown eyes. He's got short curly black hair. She's got long wavy red hair. Thomas has got a moustache. Henry hasn't got a moustache. He's got a beard. Have they got freckles? No, they haven't. Has she got freckles? Yes, she has. We use the verb have got to talk about illnesses. I've got a toothache. Mark has got a backache. Has Daisy got a fever? No, she hasn't. Has Peter got a headache? Yes, he has.